Hey friends, we are here for the second cash stuffing in May. This month is a magic month, so I will still have one more paycheck to do this month. Yes, love that. Let's get right down to it. This is my bright undated budget planner. This spiral bound version is available in my Etsy shop. I think I have one left. It's a tie-dye full color theme. If you want the regular version that doesn't have the spirals, that is available on Amazon, linked below in my description. And here is the budget for today. Let's first check what kind of rollover I have. I know I don't have a lot of cash rollover. I spent a lot. This is the money for the stuffing, which we will get into in a minute. So yeah, I don't have a lot of cash rollover, but that's okay. That money is there to be spent. So there you go. And let's see, we have quite a bit of change this time. And one more quarter. And then let's see what we're working with as far as rollover. How are you? Today is Thursday. You'll be seeing this tomorrow on Friday. So I hope you're having a good Friday so far and a good weekend ahead. And let's see what we have for rollover cash. 20, 30, 5, 36, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45, I wish it was more, honestly, but any rollover is good. And I do have more for savings challenges this week because, again, it's a magic month, so it's all good. Okay. So let's see. Let's talk about the cash. This rollover, by the way, is going to go just to the side. That's going to go towards savings challenges. That's what I like to do with my rollover. Okay, so this should be $340. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 340. Okay, so we're gonna do, I guess, the sinking funds first, and then we'll just stuff the cash in the wallet because I need a little bit of change. So, let's see. Okay, birthdays right off the bat, we're gonna stuff this into birthdays. This is a finished challenge that I completed last week or the week before. And let's see, it's a $50 challenge. This is really good because I just took a lot of money out of birthdays. 20, 40, 5, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we're gonna add 50. And I think we're gonna add a little more actually. So I took $120 out of here because we actually went to brunch for Mother's Day and it was pricey. And then I also took a little bit of money out of here to give my mom a gift for Mother's Day. I took it out of here instead of holidays. I don't think either I didn't have, oh, I had, I think, $30 in holidays. I did take that as well. So yeah, I drained holidays and then I took a lot of money out of here. So I want to bump this back up. So it's May 15th. Let's see. We're putting 50 from the challenge, but I think I'm going to do another 40 out of the cash, and I'll explain that in a minute. So that should be 90 that we're adding, and then let's see what that brings us to. I didn't plan to put any towards birthdays because last paycheck, I think I put 70 bucks in here. But again, because I spent so much, I just want to make sure that this stays bumped up. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 209. And we actually have a birthday party this weekend that my daughter was invited to, so we will need some money from that for a gift as well. But 209, that is good. And so the 40 that I took out is from the cash. I had planned to put 100 towards groceries, but now we're actually gonna do 60 And then I'm just gonna write that I put 42 birthdays because, again, I just wanted to keep that bumped up. Anything with a real C is a real C. A C is real cash, and this one, for example, has nothing, so that's prop money. So I'll add 150 plus 130, and that's the amount that I will transfer into my savings account when we're finished. Okay, so that takes care of that. This is gonna go into my completed savings challenge envelope because I like to count up my completed savings challenges at the end of the year. So let's check that. Let's go to groceries because that is in here as well. And so groceries, as I said, we're gonna add 60 instead of 100. This is just a little fund. I just pull 20, 40, 60. I just keep this to pull money from if I go to the store. So we get actually our groceries delivered every week. My husband takes care of that. He pays. But sometimes, you know, you go to the store and you grab a couple things, and this is what I use that for. 20, 40, 60, 85, 90. So $90 in here, which is great. That's good for a rainy day. Also, when we lived, not our prior house that we just moved out of, the one before that, myself and my husband, we used to throw a barbecue every summer. And then when we moved to the last house that we lived in, we didn't have a yard, so we couldn't do that. But we're bringing it back. So we have a nice yard now, and we're bringing back the annual barbecue. I want it to be a yearly thing, and we're gonna do that actually at the end of June. So if I need some money, some extra money for that, that can come from here as well. Okay, the last envelope that we're gonna do in here is kids, and we're gonna do 75. And you know what? I don't have any change, so let me actually go back and see if there's any change that I can pull from here because I'm gonna need some. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, that works, and we'll take a 20. And this should be 209. I just want to make sure. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Okay. So hopefully that's all the change we need. I think that should be fine. And let's throw 75 in kids. Again, this fund is just for the kids. Anything they need. If they need a clothing item, if they need something for school, if they need, or I don't know, if they want something and I want to get it for them, whatever. That's what this fund is for. And I'm working on trying to stack this up because you guys know my son is going to need braces. So actually I'm probably going to need more change. 20, 40, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'm going to need more change. 20, 40, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 75. Okay. Yeah, so my son is going to need braces in a few years, and so I'd love to have this stacked up so that, you know, his braces are saved and paid for. 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 117. Let's see, 77. Okay, so at some point it looks like I probably took money out of here and then didn't replace it because I definitely don't have 152. I have 117. And actually I did take money out of this, now that I think about it, for a haircut just 2 days ago for my son, and I didn't write it, and that's why you should keep your trackers updated. So let's see, we're just gonna say, what did I have? 117, 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 117. So we're gonna say I added 40. There we go. Okay, so 117 in there is good. And we're almost done. This is gonna be a little quickie video. Kids, we did groceries. Okay, so let's see. We should have 15 in cash here to go towards challenges and then the rest for the wallet. So this should be 165, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, perfect. It's 165, but I still need actually more change because once again, I do 150 for the wallet. Let's see if there's anything here in car maintenance that I could switch out. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, because of course. Okay, hold please. I'm gonna have to make some change for myself and I just have to locate where exactly I could do that. Okay, I was able to make some change out of my medical envelope and so we should be good to go now. All right, so let me take 150 for my wallet and then I'll take the savings challenge money. We will stuff emergency and then we will be finished. My daughter's probably about to come down here and interrupt me. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50. So 150 for the wallet. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. 15 for challenges. That's just going over to the side. Let's stick this in the wallet. I don't use cash envelopes anymore. I just made a beginner's cash envelope stuffing video and I neglected to even talk about cash stuffing a wallet. So I apologize about that, but I don't use cash envelopes. I just give myself 150 for spending every 2 weeks and I just put it right into the wallet and then I'm free to spend it on whatever. I don't see the need to categorize it for myself. So that's how I work that. Okay. Last but not least for this video, we are going to do 150 into emergency. Yes. Emergency fund is so important to have, even if you have zero debt, because again, if an emergency happens and you don't have any savings or an emergency fund, potentially that could put you into debt. So very, very important. And I will be honest, I do not stuff this nearly enough, or I don't put nearly enough money into it either. And so I'm super happy to be doing 150. So let's add this in and count it up. Might need a little condensing soon. 1, 2, 3, 50, 70, 90, 410. 425, 35, 45, 55, 65, 465, 66, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 478. Yes, love that for me. Perfect. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and color $150 worth on this. This is a $1,000 tracker. This is available in my Etsy shop as a digital download. It's just 5s and 10s, which is why I like it. I don't always stuff a whole lot into here. And even with just 5s and 10s, that way I can color on the tracker basically every time I stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and color $150 worth and I'll be right back. Okay, that is all colored in, and with that, we are almost finished with the 10s. Yes, this tracker is going to go a lot faster pretty soon, and we're almost to the halfway mark of 1,000. Yes, I love that. I did have over 1,000 in here at one point, but I did unstuff it because we bought our house last July, and so yeah, I needed money for a down payment and closing costs and things like that. So I did a huge unstuffing, and I'm super, once this gets to 1,000, I'm going to be really, really happy. Not that 1,000 is enough, but it's like a stepping stone. It's a starting point. And so that makes me really happy. Okay, friends, that is it for this one. Let's check that off. Another cash stuffing bites the dust. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. I am so grateful that you're here. I love you guys so much. I will see you in the savings challenge video. Bye.